Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon and in front of me I've got a Clever Vans Runner 636, 636 centimeters in long, cost 65,000 euros, and let's go inside and have a look at it. It's on a Citroen base, and ooh, I hit my head. So let's have a look at why did I hit my head when I was coming in there. Is it because I'm so used to driving around in a motorhome I forget to duck when I come in? Well, yeah, could be that. So this vehicle is for those who are tall. So you've got a lot of space here. Notice, however, the beds are quite low. Another vehicle to get higher bed, but this is a compromise, right? So I mean, if you want storage, which is sort of less storage or more room or whatever, you've got to find where the bed should go. But in my opinion, this is quite low for bed, but it could be because you can't get into you have difficulty getting in the bed or whatever. So the front to the storage cabinets, in my opinion, doesn't quite fit. Maybe that's me. What do I know? Nice looking washroom in here. Fixed sink. I think it's really nice, this washroom. Actually, I'm just going to come inside. There you are. I like it so much. I'm going to come inside and do the rest of the video in here. Above me, right, so there's about a little bit of clearance there, but I have got my feet on the duck board and I'm wearing sandals, which is something I don't normally do in the shower. It's got a sensible sliding door. Bear in mind, I've got a bag on my back, so I wouldn't normally be having a bag on my back going into the shower either. Coming into the kitchen, we have a fridge which is ideally positioned for you, allowing you to take your beer out the fridge whilst you're having a shower. That's very useful. In fact, you could drill a hole into it here and have a straw which sort of went to you as you're in the shower, so that would save you coming out the shower. Down here, got a wardrobe, and here you will find two burners. Oh, quite nice looking as well. And a sink. And here we've got, as you'd expect, drawers for your food and the likes. Now if I sit here, and you'll note we've got here kitchen extension, and also, I thought it was the light, so it is a light. No, yeah, that's right, it's the step. That's what normally there is, the step. For some reason I thought that's odd. It's not the step, it's an electrical point, but it's the step. Forward facing bench, storage up there. It's quite a standard camper van really. The electric situation here, you've got a bit of storage up there as well. Light switch here. Let's come out, trying to avoid getting my head hit again, and let's go around the back. 65,083 euros, I think I said that. And here, so down under this there should be the gas. Two canisters will go in there, and notice that here there'll be the boiler, and on this side there's a bit more storage. There you go. I bet there's no insulation in here. Yes, there is no insulation, and good. I'll show you a different van. I don't remember which one it was. This one, which has a similar type layout. Now this thing here is going to cost 74,273. This is also 636. I prefer this one, and of course that's just me. Notice the bed's a bit higher. It comes with a step. That's a very clever step. It sort of folds in and out. Very clever, I like that. And we've even got some storage down here. The bed's higher up, meaning there's less space here. The front to the storage is very attractive in my opinion. I like this much better. This seems as though it's a lot more. I mean, it's dark. We're in the hall, and it seems to be much more light in here. This is the same. I definitely prefer this one. In this case, the fridge is here, and one of these clever fridges that opens both ways. There's been a number of people written to me about these things breaking. There is a fix on them with the pins, but it doesn't always work. I'll have to do a video showing the fix. But I'm a bit unwilling to break a fridge just in case I can't get it back together again. Anyway, we'll worry about that one later. And light above here. Anyway, so 636 centimetre long van here. Whilst I'm here now, I'll just give you a quick walk around what else is there. Here, 540 really centimetres. That's a very interesting looking vehicle. Celebration 600. That's been on the go for ages. And here's a Tour 540, another one that's been around for some time. Spirit 600. Let's see if we can find a 636 centimetre long vehicle. Now this trade fair hasn't opened yet, so people are still setting their stands up. So that's why there's a mess, because normally the public doesn't get in when there's a mess on the floor. They just let me in because they know I'll make a mess anyway and start smashing things up. So that's how I got in. Duo 540. That's a really interesting van. I'm gonna have a look at that one in a different video. And here I see that off-road one. Okay, I think companies should stick to what they're good at. Clever Vans makes basic camper vans, no thrills, and when companies that make no thrills start changing their profile, they usually don't do it very well. And I think it's not a good idea. I think people should do what they're good at. Fortunately, I'm not good at anything, so I can do everything. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I've lots of reports here from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe. Upload every day at 21:15, and sometimes I upload at other times as well. But for the moment, from me in Dusseldorf, Germany, all the best. Bye for now.